What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video, another part of the My Forex Funds challenge. I'm being real quick because we've just got a setup lining up right now on Aussie USD, so let's get into it. Right, so jumping into the charts, I've just entered the trade here. I'll run through the reason for it in a minute. I'm still putting everything in. So, as you can see, we've got a beautiful demand zone here. Price is pushed up. We've taken out lots of liquidity and structure to the left, okay? And this area has strong buyers. Now, I drew this out earlier today, but I was away from the computer. And a minute ago, we just noticed actually that we'd just taken out this fair value gap down here. We had strong bullish movement from the upside there, and then we had a break of a candle high. Fortunately, when we came back to the charts here, price had pushed down back to our entry point. So I've just entered the trade with a 25-cent lot, and we're going to look for price to continue to the upside. We've got stop loss below the zone here, and we've got our first TP here, which is looking pretty good. We've already pushed up into a nice bit of profit. Not loads, but we've got a little bit there. So we'll see how this goes, and hopefully we can get a nice continuation to the upside. I'm actually going to add another... No, I'm not going to add another thing on here. I'm going to leave this. I've got 25 cents. I actually want to do a little bit more than that. I want to do 50 cents, but because we've already pushed up, I'm going to leave the 25 cents going, and we'll see how we go. Let's come back in a minute. Alright guys, and as you can see, you now have first TP, so 20 cents is getting taken out of this for a nice $11.40 profit. Stop loss is going to break even, and we're going to let this run for the rest of the day because there's a chance this thing is going to fly and break out the top of here and come up to this supply zone around here. So we're going to let this one just do its thing, and yeah, come back later on when we either have break even or a new high. Let's go. Welcome back to the future. So obviously we left the trade as you just saw. We had this perfect first TP taken out. Our 80% was taken then, and our 20% was left running. We actually got taken out with our 20% runner to break even right here, and then price continued to the downside, breaking out and continued to the downside for a little while. So that was a really nice one-to-one, and very happy with that. And I will throw up the results of the challenge on the screen right now, so I'll show you the whole results of all the trades. There is one on there which was a mistake on my behalf, which I was supposed to put on my private account as a long-term swing trade, but I deleted it very quickly as it wasn't obviously I realized it was on the wrong account. So we did make a $4 loss there, but other than that we are 100% correct on the last 11 trades. I think it's 11 trades, which is awesome. Obviously, I'm not expecting that 100% run to last because that is trading and we're going to lose eventually. But hopefully it's not in the next trade, next session, because obviously 100% runners would be amazing. So yeah, that's the video there. Again, if you haven't already, check out the Discord. Link is at the top of the description down there. The Telegram as well. And I've got a few other bits and bobs coming very soon. Also check out our website. You can book your one-to-ones on there with me, which is an hour and a half of full content. Live with me. We get on the charts. I'll show you all of my strategies in depth, and we can talk about trading as much as you like, because I love talking about trading. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.